All right, let's tell you about what's happening in the Punjab Assembly, because the face-off over the farm bills is now escalating and Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has introduced 3 new bills in the Assembly. Captain has moved the resolution in Assembly. Is this the Punjab government's bid to counter the centre's farm bill? The latest update also that we are picking up is that Captain Amrinder Singh has said that the 3 farm legislators, along with the proposed Electricity Amendment Bill 2020, are clearly against the interest of the farmers, landless workers and time-tested agriculture marketing system that has established not just in Punjab but also in Haryana and also in Western Uttar Pradesh. So that is a special assembly session that has been called for the day. And representing the same, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh also talking on the draft resolution states that farm laws are against the constitution, which mentions agriculture as a state subject, and these legislations are a direct attack to encroach upon the functions and the powers of the states as enshrined in the constitution. The 3 farm legislations along with the proposed Electricity Amendment Bill is what Captain Amrinder Singh has proposed in the Assembly. Going across to Amandeep for a live update. So the farm bills against the farmers' interest is what the Chief Minister of the state of Punjab seems to be saying, also saying that it is a state subject and should be left to the states alone to decide on the interest of the farmers.
Yes, exactly, Amita. The way Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh quoted in his speech that centre is doing injustice to the farmers, and these bills are quoted, unquoted as anti-farmer bills. And in fact, he has also said that the centre should left the decision on the states just because it is a state-concerned issue. And in fact, state is the right one to take the calls in the interest of the farmers. And in fact, they have bring 3 bills to counter the farm laws. 3 bills now. The details is yet to come out just because they have announced on the floor. And in fact, Captain Amrinder Singh said that all the 3 bills are in favor of the farmers, and also warned other political parties that they should not do the politics on these. This is the matter of the farmers. Everyone should stand in one line to counter the farm laws and in fact in the favor of the farmers. But the point is, what are these bills? The information is yet to come out. What the Captain Amrinder Singh bring special in these bills to counter the farm laws and to benefit the farmers who are sitting on the railway tracks and the national highways. What are the contents? This is the major thing that is still you can say a secret. We are joining the Congress MLAs here also, so we will try to talk to them also that what kind of bill. Sir, the bills has been introduced inside the floor, and in fact Captain Amrinder Singh quoted it that these bills will be in the favor of the farmers, and also warned the other political parties that they should not do the politics. But what are the bills? How they will benefit the farmers?
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤਿੰਨੇ ਬਿੱਲ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਚੱਲੂਗੀ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਬਿੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਰਡੀਨੈਂਸ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਬਿੱਲ ਦੀ ਰੂਪ ਲੈ ਲਈ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ और ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ कैप्टन साहब ने बिल्कुल स्पष्ट किया है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे मेरे को इस्तीफ़ा भी देना पड़े, चाहे मेरी सरकार टूटे। पहले भी मैंने अपनी लाइफ में 2 बार जो है इस्तीफ़े दिए और तीसरी बार भी मैं इस्तीफ़ा देने के लिए तैयार है। मेरा इस्तीफ़ा मेरी जेब के अंदर है। सो हमें पंजाब के साथ खड़ना है, पंजाब के किसानों के साथ खड़े होना। और उसके बाद सरदार नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू जी ने उसको सेकंड किया और उसके बाद कुलजीत सिंह नागरा जी उसको प्रवरता उसकी कर रहे हैं। और उसके बाद 3 घंटे का जो है अभी टाइम है सबके पार्टियों को अपना अपना बोलने का वो मौका दिया जाए।
So Amita, now the 3-hour break of 3 hours has been given in the Punjab Vidhan Sabha just because bills has been tabled and all the copies of the bills distributed to the all representatives so that they should read the bill, they should go through the content of the bills, and then the discussion would be held on the floor.
In fact, the Congress party that is protesting there, the AAP MLA spent a night there at the assembly sitting in protest, which is the Punjab government introducing 3 bills in the state assembly to strike down centre's farm laws in a first bid that seems to be happening in the assembly of Punjab. Amandeep, thanks very much for joining in. We move on to the other big stories.